Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. Congratulations on the purchase of your R25S Riccar vacuum cleaner. Let me show you what's in the box when you assemble this and put it together. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. One nice thing about these cardboard boxes, you'll notice inside here when you open it up is there's not so much styrofoam anymore. Everything's cardboard, a lot of recyclable items in here. So the majority of the stuff in here you can recycle, which is good. So let's review everything we got. We have the quick start guide, we have the hose, we have the vacuum cleaner, the wand, the dusting brush, and we have the handle. All right, now that we have all our components, we're gonna go ahead and assemble them onto the machine and get it ready for operation. So the first thing I like to do is put the handle on. So we're gonna go ahead and take this screw out right here, which will be in the machine in the box. So you'll take that out. We'll insert the handle. Put the screw back in. So once the handle's on, we're gonna go ahead and grab the hose here. These two tabs, it just clips right into place. This wand then will attach to the hose. This tool here is going to go right there. So now your vacuum is assembled and ready for operation.